So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search again and type in date and time settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, make sure that your time zone is correct. Make sure that you have set time automatically turned on. Now you're going to scroll down and then click on sync now. Make sure that your date and time is fully synced up. And then once you've done that, for the next step, you're going to scroll down and then click on language and region. Make sure that your country or region is correct and that your original format is also correct. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search and type in Xbox. Now you're going to click on app settings. And then once this comes up, you're going to scroll down and then click on terminate. Now you're going to click on reset and then click on reset again. Wait for this to load. You want to reset the Xbox application. And now for the last step, you're going to head over to search and type in wsreset.exe. Click on it. This is now going to reset the Microsoft Store. Now once you complete all these steps, the problem should now be fixed. If the problem is still not fixed for some reason, then you just want to restart your computer, and now the problem should be fixed.